Hello, Captain Moon here, and today we're at the Sudbury Childhood Museum, I think. Now, I found this lift here. At the other side, so this is this floor here. You can see the other side is there. That is a very short lift. The other side is just over there. You can't see it. There, see there's a call button. Anyway, let's call it. It's on floor 3, which is unfortunately the top floor. Ooh, it's red. There's the indicator. These are good indicators because they actually don't come out pink on the screen, I don't think. 0. Oh, it's got a white LED. No chimes. Oh, why did I say that? Look at this call button. Right, anyway, let's go in. Oh my God, actually the door open and door close buttons. That's amazing. Now, firstly, let's just go up to 1. The door close button is on the other side.
There we go.
A single speed. There's the other place. Let's get back in. Go on 3. Why is the door open there? Can you hear it? Someone must have called it from the second floor. Oh. Right, here we are. Now the lift said we're on the first floor until we were up at floor 3, then the indicator went up. Let's call it. Ah, there it is. Stayed red. Right, let's go back down. Still red on the ground floor. There's a lift floor guide. There's a key. Now it stops. And it actually says what floor it's on as it's levelling. So that's been Captain Moo in a very short distance lift between floor 0 and floor 1. Oh, there goes the door. So that's been me so far.